Buccaneers. Every single outing will be crucial with this title race so evenly poised as De Jong gets Premiership. This is fourth appearance for Pirates in the league, but the first time that he's starting. Coach Wadu Polokwane City will want to play today with Orlando Pirates doing precisely this. And for Mbatha, now back to goalkeeper Matibula. Started his first game in 2 years against AmaZulu in the Nedbank Cup, including today. Fourth successive start for him, and he has done tremendously well. Conceded 2 against, they kept 3 in a row. Was over a year ago, across January and February of 2025, against Supersport League Chipper and TS Galleto. In the first half, his team able to take AmaZulu all the way to extra time. But cushioned down here for De Jong, crowded out on the Bandila from the penalty spots. It's a good strong run, Lamini, but eventually lets it get away from him. And this is, he has already scored against Polokwane City, his former club at that. But as far as league games go, they have previously met directly after a derby. Polokwane gets some distance on his throw, but Apollos. De Jong beats it to it in the air. Dion Hotto laying it off for Mbatha deflection.
Got to get close to him when he's at the edge of the box.
Definitely. We'll celebrate his 26th. All hands to the pump. And De Jong with the deflection.
That there wasn't any white or grey shirts in the box there, De Jong. Great presence of mind.
It's been a while. 77 matches for Orlando Pirates in the league. Chains made 54 saves from shots taken from outside the box. Almost a 90% save percentage when trying to prevent long shots from. Looking for the follow-up, which is how Orlando Pirates won the previous meeting between these two sides back towards the end of October.
So far for Pirates. That one opportunity for
Angola finds Mfukeng. De Jong lets it get away from him. He's burst onto it, and Mbatha. Again opts not to shoot.
He just glides on the field, doesn't he, De Jong?
Slip through here, keeper off his line. He's judged it really well.
Slipped that one through very nicely there. The talent Mbatha trying to pick out.
Also 27 points back in 2018-19, so nice to see continual improvement to just 6 shots all game, which that's not shots on target, that's shots total. Instead of Panathinaikos.
I think that's a close enough contrast.
Yeah, right.
It's a massive one indeed, but take nothing away from South Africa.
In the Betway Premiership this season, yet to concede in the 15 minutes directly before the break. And that might change. Oh, cleared off the line, but it will be a penalty. The hand was involved. Trying to get the players to vacate the conversation that he's attempting to have.
A better look at this. It's Mbatha with the head. Hopper with the next. Off the body, onto the hand.
Does look like body first, which is one of the mitigating factors in determining handball. 6, but aside from that, they have scored in every other game. They have a good away record as well this season, as they gallants in their first away game of the season. Apollos turns this brilliantly around the corner. Mbatha cracks it. Can't keep it down. A man who we've become so accustomed to seeing drilling has ballooned this one.
Yeah, great touch from De Jong, and then Apollos just didn't get his body over that one. He thought he had more time than he really did. The onrushing just putting Mbatha off.
Chikweta and Batlabane. But fewer league defeats than Rise and Shine this season. There are plenty of positives already to take from this campaign.
Further advanced the defensive solidity of this Polokwane side. Might not have lost, but a lot of draws there.
Now they can't. Looking for De Jong once again. Way by Nika. Guni making a nuisance of himself. Mbatha. De Jong. Perhaps if it had made its way through to the striker, would have been ruled off.
It would have been, yeah.
Oh, they have the opening goal, so some of the anxiety will be gone now from an Orlando Pirates perspective. De Jong. Rugby tackle just outside. It's a slick ball, difficult for Mataludi to get any real distance there. And the Pirates clear their lines. This is a period where
It's level.
Well, despite the slender margin of their lead, it did look like they were going to canter to victory here, cruising nicely towards 90 minutes. But now they need to try and find a way back in front. And Maswangani, already their top goal scorer in the Betway Prem coming into this game. Grin on his face does Maswangani. Now Ramab wanted the return, but Dion Hunter steps in. Down the line for Moremi. Over everyone, but there will be one last opportunity here. Orlando Pirates defenders assemble, and it is punted clear. And the sides that started